What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today I got a haul from AutoZone. It's actually 3 different AutoZones I had to go to pick up some light bulbs, and I ended up picking some other stuff up, and I'm gonna throw in some cables, charging cables that I picked up at Speedway, the gas station, as well. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I took some bulbs out of a vehicle, and I put them in this little tray just so that way I didn't lose them on the way there. And this is just the tray with my brass brushes and stuff. But these little T5 bulbs, they're different ranges. So 74 bulb, 2723, 2721. There's a lot of bulbs that are this exact size. This is actually the size of a T5. It's a very small bulb, but the reason there's so many different part numbers is that changes the wattage. So these bulbs are 12 volt, 2.3 watt, and that would make it a 2723 bulb. And I ended up also picking up some funnels and stuff while I was there. But these are the bulbs that I just showed you in that little tray. Same bulbs. These are 2723s. These are $5.99 a piece. I only paid $10. I ended up getting 5 packs. I had to go to 3 different stores to get these 5 packs. One store had 2, one other store had 2, and then the first store I went to was the one I bought the single at. I had $20 off that I applied to it, so I only paid $10 for all these bulbs. But 2723, 74, 65, 78, 79, 72, 2721, 2723, 2700, 2650. All of these are the same T5 style bulb. This says 13.5 volts max and 2.3 watts. This one right here is the exact same, and this shows you the inconsistency on these. This one, it has the color coordination on it and the long life. It kind of looks like new packaging. This is a 2723LL.BP2 2-pack, but this one says 12 volts, 2.3 watts. This one says 13.5 volts, 2.3 watts. It's the same. Turn this light on, it might be easier to see. Yeah, it's kind of blurry. But this one you can see, 12 volt, 2.3 watt. And that's what I went to the store for. 2000 4Runners, 1997, 96, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. This bulb is what's in the glove box, the ashtray in the front, as well as the shifter, automatic shifters. The light that lights up the shifter is this bulb, as well as a majority of the dash bulbs. So the dash cluster, all the bulbs that are in the window switches on the doors, climate control, even not just the climate control, but even the manual air conditioning controls has these bulbs. So I picked up a bunch. I've got 3 4Runners at the moment that I need to change bulbs in. So that's this right here. And then I picked up some more funnels. So I picked up 2 of these DEF funnels, diesel exhaust fluid funnels. I like these funnels a lot. You don't have to use them for diesel exhaust fluid if you don't want to. I've got 4 of these funnels. Each one I designate to a different thing. These are made in the USA. There you go. Made in USA. And they are flow tool funnels. It's kind of hard to see them. There you go. Just gotta block the light a little bit. But these fit a 1 quart bottle really well. And I actually do have, I think, a 1 quart bottle here somewhere. There. So here's a 1 quart bottle. They do fit a 1 quart bottle really well. That's why I like them. But you can use them for whatever you want. I picked up 2 of these. They were $5 a piece. I picked up 1 more of these. The guy gave me a discount because it didn't have the little flexible hose that you can attach to it. I just need the funnel. I don't normally use those flexible hoses. And in recent years, you didn't get a hose up until like the last couple weeks. They started putting those little pop-on hoses that piano, and they changed, you know, the, what's it called? They're flexible hoses. You can collapse them and make them really short. You can extend them, and then they'll stay in the position you turn them into. I can't remember what they're called. But, and then I picked up 2 of these. These are the Reacher 1 quart funnels. These are made by Garage Boss. I picked up 2 of these guys. They also have pour spouts on them. So there's a pour spout here, one in the front, and one on this side as well. So you can see that there's 3 spots. But I picked these up. They do have branding on them for Garage Boss. I figure I'll give them a try. I have an obsession with funnels. I like funnels a lot. But, you know, they make your life a little easier. So I picked up these 5 funnels. And then I picked up these 5 packages of, these aren't LEDs, these are just regular bulbs. Until I can get the LED bulbs, I'm just not going to worry about it. This will at least allow me to see the shifter and everything now, because the light doesn't work. So in rows, the 2000 limited 4x4, you can't see anything. Like all the bulbs that are for the stereo are dead. All the bulbs that, which is the original Toyota stereo, all the bulbs that are in the climate control are dead, other than one, and it's not bright enough to see anything. So trying to change the climate control and stuff in the dark while you're driving at night, it's not really easy, and it's easier just to open the windows. Can't see the stereo, and I basically have to just push the seek button because I can't see what channel I'm going to, or anything else. And I plan on changing that OEM stereo out with one of these. I did show videos on the 8200 NEX navigation system that I purchased for Rose, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Since the truck accident, I've been trying to take it easy. But I can't, basically the entire center of the console section of the vehicle is dark. So the only light that lights up is a majority of the tachometer's lights, and one of the driver's side window switches actually lights up. The rest of them, the bulbs are dead. So the truck is pretty dark. So I picked these up for the shifter, as well as the stereo and the climate control. Climate control should have 4 or 5. The stereo should have like 7 or 8, maybe a couple more. It might be 10 or 12 in the stereo, because there's a lot of buttons on the stereo. It's the CD tape deck, CD changer, tape deck, and radio and everything. And then I also have Beast, which is a 1997 that does need some of the same bulbs as well. So it was just easier to pick a bunch up. And then what I'll do is I'll use these for now, or until they die. And these little bulbs, they take years and years to die. I actually replaced one of these bulbs in Sky Shifter, which is the 2000 Millennium Silver one that I ended up getting in a wreck in. I replaced one of these, the bulb in the shifter, back in like 2002, and I haven't had to replace it since. So I've had one single bulb in a shifter for almost 20 years now. So they don't normally tend to die very often. And then the very last thing, I went and stopped at the gas station to get gas on the way home, and one of my cords broke. The cord that I usually have in the house, and I'll show you guys real quick. It's kind of dark in here. But, so I have a cord that sits here on my couch all the time, right here. And this is actually one I found that I had in the house. But this is the one that broke. This cable right here. So you can see that it's deforming right here at the edge. Which is odd. This is an anchor cable too, which is odd. I've never had any issues with the anchor cables. But you look at this side of the cable, and there's no stressing. It's the same normal size as it should be. Where this one's kind of deforming, not sure why. But when I had this plugged into my phone, if it moved up, it would lose connection and say that it's no longer charging, and then if I moved it back down, it would say it was charging. So I started having issues, and I found another anchor cable that I had wrapped that I hadn't used, and that's the one that's literally sitting on the couch now. And then I found these Celtronics at the gas station. These are $19 a piece. 6-foot tangle-free heavy-duty USB cable. This says power delivery enabled on it. So it does say power delivery 3.0 or PD 3.0, power delivery 3.0 adaptive chargers. So power delivery will send the amount of voltage that your charger needs. So if your charger will ramp up the voltage depending on what your phone wants. So I got 3 different colors. I got a red, a blue, and I got this, which is kind of like a green, with like black specks in it. So I picked 3 cables up. These are all USB-C to USB-C, every single one of them. And they look like decent, nice made cables. The strain relief, right where that anchor cable fell on these, is a lot longer. As well as, if I bring you guys back over here, so this cable that I have right here that I showed that has the messed up, see how short the strain relief is on this one, but this is one of the newer anchor cables, and it has a long strain relief as well. So when these cables got sold, when I bought them, Anchor must have found out that they had a failing problem, and they probably made this one to fix that problem, because I've had this cable for about 9 months and I haven't used it. Usually just sits up here with the rest of my cables and stuff, which is where this one was sitting, because I just unplugged it and threw it up here. I'll probably eventually throw it away. That's where it was sitting. But so now I have extra cables, but just a quick video, guys. Nothing, that's like massive or anything like that. Just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. If you guys need to know, for a 1996 all the way to a 2002 4Runner, you need to know what the shifter bulbs are, the climate control or manual air conditioning bulbs, the stereo if you have the original OEM stereo, or if you need bulbs for the tachometer or the dash cluster, or any of the switches, the window switches, the mirror switch, the window lockout switch, any of those, they all take these bulbs. So if it's a 74, it's just going to be different wattage. Instead of 2.3, it's like going to be 0.5 watts. So if you look up a 2723, it will show you that 74, 78, 79, 82, 86, 2723, 2721, 2700, 2760, 2735. They're all the same T5 bulb. These are classified as a T5 if you look them up. Hope that information helps. Added some more funnels to my funnel obsession collection, and I bought some cables. That is all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!